What up, y'all? Welcome back to itslaroneppl, and in this video I'm going to be giving you guys my pro tip of how I moisturize my locks while they're in, specific styles. So I got asked a few times, what do I do to keep my hair moisturized while it's in these various, styles and whatnot? And the answer is really simple. I just go grab my Shea Moisture coconut oil in my spray bottle. Don't mind my spray bottle, I already mixed it pre-video. So what I'm gonna do is spray my hair down with that, and then at the roots, I just, go in with the coconut oil and run it through like that. So I'll do that really quickly on camera for you guys to see that inside pro tip. So, all good, easy as pie, real simple, and this is something you can do when you wake up to go out for the next day. You can do it before you shower. It's so quick and so simple that you can really just get away with. There's no reason why your hair should be dry. Like, I don't know. But yeah, so there you have it. That's kind of my quick pro tip for oiling moisturizing your hair, adding moisture to your hair while it's in a particular style. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have not already subscribed to this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have subscribed but you have not hit that notification bell, go ahead and hit that so that you get those notifications as soon as I post a new video. Until next time, be easy.